I know what you're thinking. You've probably been sitting at your house on your couch with your arms out, legs crossed, and you're sitting there thinking, how can I earn some extra cash to put in my pocket? You're tired of the old taking surveys for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes here and only earning 2 cents there, 4 cents there. I mean, look at me. I'm just sitting here, completely clueless. What do I do? Well, I think I have something to tell you guys about, so let's jump into it. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new earning video, and today we're going to be talking about just play. Just kidding. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another new video, and today we are going to be talking about swag bucks and how much I earned within a few short minutes of time. So let's jump into it. What is up, everybody? We are on swag bucks today for this short little earning app video. So one thing that I do want to say before I show everybody this cash out today is that as you can see at the top, I am actively playing 2 games for 1,500 swag bucks, 1,000 swag bucks for one, and 500 swag bucks for the other. Would also like to say that they brought back playtime rewards. So you go to Discover and you go to Games. I know I've seen it. Go to Discover Home, maybe. Bro, I know I've seen it. Yeah, see, there was play to earn. It was. I don't know why it does that. Oh, there it is. Alright. Yeah. I don't know why it does that, but you just gotta kind of mess around until it pops up. But as you can see, I just noticed I ain't showing people with my face. Alright, we'll put it on the Monopoly guy. But as you can see right here in the top right hand corner, that's the playtime rewards. That's what you want to look for. So basically you want to click that. It'll take you to this page. And so pretty much playtime rewards is the easiest way to earn swag bucks. And it's the fastest way to earn swag bucks. And you'll earn swag bucks every single day, all day. And as long as you play these games, look for the highest paying out one. These are my apps: Evermerge, Love and Pies, Toon Blast, Merge Dragons, and Merge Restaurant. And as you can see, mine top one pays out 8 swag bucks, but it's not, it's not a whole lot, but it's every 43 minutes, every 31 minutes. Or you could just find new games that pop up and download new games that have a higher payout than 1 swag buck. But that's basically what I do to earn my swag bucks. And now I'm gonna go cash out this amount, and we are gonna do Amazon today. No. There we go. And if you are new to swag bucks and you've never had an account and you would like to sign up, you can sign up in the description of this video. And you'll get some free swag bucks when you sign up as well. So I'm gonna go down to the ones that I can afford at this moment. Amazon 110, and we're just gonna claim it until I run out of points to use. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, just verified reward. There's one. Thank you for your redemption. Your order earned 4 months free of SiriusXM instant access commercial free music. No thank you, because you have to pay. You've got 1 month of Hulu for free. No thank you. Walmart, no thank you. No thank you. Share the joy of getting free gift cards with your friends and family. Get 600 swag bucks plus 10% of your referrals earnings for life. Refer your friends and family today. With the link in the description. Alright. So thank you. Your order has been placed. $1 Amazon gift card. Let's go back and redeem the other ones. So for this one, I'm going to do the 300 swag back one. Yep, this one. Claim. And it is go. So as you can see, it is that super easy to make $4 wherever you want to put it. And I wanted to put my $4 to Amazon because I'm saving up my gift card balance for the holidays. And this is really a great way to save up money for the holidays if you do online shopping such as Amazon. And this is what I do, and I can buy gifts with it along with other money that I can apply to it from my pocket. So if you guys like this, please like and subscribe the video. Due to YouTube limiting ads on my videos, just please support the videos every time they drop, and comment below and like the video, and I will see all of you in the next camera angle. But yeah, Swagbucks is a really trusted app. I trust Swagbucks. Not only is Swagbucks trusted, but they also have some other trusted apps that you can use to earn money with. Swagbucks is not the only one. Ysense, I think I made a video on Ysense. You can find that on my channel in the review playlist. But Ysense is another app created by the Swagbucks people, which is Prodage. I think Prodage is the one that makes the apps. They are the developers for the apps. Swagbucks also has Swagbucks like sweepstakes or something. Swagbucks, they got like 3 or 4 different apps. But Swagbucks is safe, easy to use, and like I said, Playtime Rewards is back. So all you really got to do is download your favorite game, play your game for however long you want, and then boom, you earn Swagbucks. So it's that simple. That's why I'm making this video, to tell you guys more. I don't know all the people that see my videos, so maybe you have not seen me talk about Swagbucks. So if you haven't seen it, now you're seeing it. If you've already seen it before, now you're knowing that Playtime Rewards is back, and you're able to go back to Swagbucks if you are already a user. If you're not a user of Swagbucks, you can click that link in the description below. Sign up with my link, get some free Swagbucks when you first sign up, and go to Swagbucks and start playing some games for some sweet rewards. So I just wanted to drop this short little video for you guys today. Hope you guys appreciate this little video on Friday. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for liking this video. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for everything that you guys do. It's fully appreciated. Everything that you guys do, I fully appreciate it. Especially now when YouTube is cracking down and limiting ads on my channel. I do not know how long that's going to be. This YouTube channel is my income, and it has been pretty much taken away, but I am still making this video, or I'm still making these videos for all of you, regardless of me getting paid or any of that. I just want to say, because when I first started YouTube, it was never about money. It was never about any of that stuff. It was never about becoming a partner. It was about connecting with new people, meeting new people, and just being fully creative with myself and having fun with putting out videos for people to watch. So in the beginning, when I first started, it was never about money, and I'm going to continue that right now since YouTube is not paying me. I'm still a YouTube partner, but YouTube is not paying me whatsoever, so I'm still going to do what I set out to do in the very beginning and put out videos for all of you to watch, regardless if YouTube is paying me or not. They should be, because I didn't do anything wrong, but I will see you guys next week in a new earning video. Peace.